All right, what's up guys? Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I got the Kraton out again, made the fixes. We got M2C rear brace now. Put some M2C cups on the front, so hopefully those won't pull out. And I re-glued these blue wheels, the Losi 3XLE wheels. And the biggest news is I fixed up my ramp. So I kept the same side, but I really cut it down. It was a lot more extreme. So now I've got a lot shallower angle. So I'm hoping I get a nicer run up and it won't hit the back end as it goes off. And I really still hope it gives me a decent amount of lift. It should fly a little bit further. I don't think it's gonna fly as high. But what I had wasn't working, so I went this route, tried it out. And we're gonna see how it goes. All right, let's see if it'll standing backflip. Yes, it will. There's so much expansion on these tires. It's just wild. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's nice, floater. Okay. That was cool. Yeah, I like the ramp. Nice. Do have a nice soft landing with these big meaty tires. Oh yeah. I like it. I think this will work good if I can bring it to the park. I can carry more speed. That was nice. Doubles with ease, doubles with ease. The over the head is a little more sketchy now. I used to have such a high liftoff. Yes. It's a cool angle up here. Ouch. Perfect. I don't think I've speed run this car in a long time. Look at those tires expand. No wonder the 3XLE drove the way it did. Stay there. Don't move. Don't move. Oh. All right, I think I lost some footage. In case I did, I want to get one good jump. One good jump for the footage. But I really think I lost a bunch. So either way, you either see a lot of these type of jumps or only one. There we go. All right. So that's the Kraton with the revamped ramp, and these tires won't stay, so we'll catch you next time.